What's up, guys? Welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Today's episode is going to be a really exciting one, something that I've gotten a lot of requests for lately, and that is my favorite plant tubers here on YouTube. I have a list of 5 of them that I'm going to be going through with a wide variety of categories as well, ranging from strictly houseplants to vegetables, microgreens, self-sufficiency, and even some off-grid homesteaders as well. So let's see what I watch during my spare time. The first channel I want to mention is Kevin with Epic Gardening. Kevin has a wide range of videos, from indoor houseplants, microgreens, fruit trees, herbs, and vegetables. He does just about everything. He kind of reminds me of what my YouTube channel might look like a couple of years from now. Basically, it seems like whenever he does anything in the garden, whether it be indoors or out, he creates a well-done professional video for you guys. If you want some great content that is trimmed up cleanly and professionally, Kevin over at Epic Gardening can do that. And he's got an awesome Instagram page with a ton of content on it that is sure to satisfy your plant candy needs. Again, that was Kevin with Epic Gardening. Our number 2 channel is going to be SelfSufficient Me. Mark over in southeast Queensland, Australia, believe it or not, all the way over there, nowhere near Wisconsin, but yet I found his videos to be quite relatable when it comes to my outdoor gardening, specifically food crops. And that is Mark's specialty. He is all about growing the most food that you can in the most efficient and self-sufficient way possible, as his channel name goes by. He is, I would say, one of the greatest at it. He has some great videos on how to grow some awesome food crops as well. If you check out his channel, he just released a video that is titled, I think, top 10 food crops that you can't buy at the supermarket, which is a really interesting one, especially to me, as I've been looking more and more into growing perennial vegetables and stuff that will produce food for me year after year. Mark's videos also get very in-depth with compost, hugelkultur, if you're familiar with that at all. Essentially, Mark's videos are going to help you guys explore incredible systems that are used to create and grow some amazing food crops. The way he looks at food crops are a little bit different than most people too. He kind of takes an alternative route. It's not like commercial agriculture or anything like that. He's able to take a small plot of land and push the food production to its absolute limits while still yielding some incredibly nutrient-dense foods from that, which is so important. Mark also really understands how critical soil composition and biodiversity is when it comes to your soil. He really knows how to build that soil up to make sure that the crops are getting all the nutrients that they need to make sure that the fruits and vegetables are as healthy as possible for you guys to consume. So go check out Self-Sufficient Me on YouTube. Our third channel is going to be Hugh Richards. Hugh Richards has all the information you need from A to Z to grow quickly, easily, and efficiently. Hugh Richards kind of specializes in quick tip and gardening hacks that kind of look at the garden as an entire system, as we all should as gardeners, because not any single point is independent from another point. Everything has to work together in your garden, and the better we can get at having everything work together, the better your garden's going to be at producing the fruits and vegetables that we need. Just by watching Hugh's videos, I've learned so much valuable information. You could basically start your very own nursery just by watching the content he's produced for you guys. So that's Hugh Richards. Go and check him out. Coming in at number 4 is a house plant specialist. She is the queen of all house plants, and that is Summer Rain Oaks. If you guys haven't heard of her, please go and check her out and be ready to be amazed. Currently, she's doing an incredible series that probably has never done before, which is 365 days of plants. A plant a day. That's right, she's featuring 365 plants each and every day this year. I think she's on like day 320, something like that right now. So it's really incredible what she's doing. And if you go and check out her channel, I'm not sure if I've seen anybody else on this planet with more houseplants than she does. She has literally a green space. Her entire apartment was a green space. She has living walls everywhere. She has plants covering every square inch of her place, to the point where I'm sure normal people, unlike us plant people, look at her like she is a crazy plant lady. And she might be, but that's okay, because we all love plants. She also has a really cool series where she's traveling across the world in many unique places such as Thailand, and documenting some of the most incredible plants that grow there, as well as the people that grow those plants. That's been a really unique series and something that's been really rewarding for me to watch, and she really just offers a level of production that almost no other YouTubers have been able to achieve here as far as these travels go, and I think that's a part of her Plant One On Me series. So go and check out Summer Rain Oaks channel for some incredible houseplant videos, whether it be on how to care for your houseplants, how to propagate and multiply them, and just houseplant information on specific and unique as well as rare species. She's got it all, everything to do with houseplants. She's the houseplant queen. And last but not least is Offgrid with Doug and Stacey. Now this channel is a little bit different than the other channels that I've detailed here in this video, but this one hits closer to home than any of the other ones, because Doug and Stacey have an incredible off-grid homestead in the Midwest where they make videos on everything having to do with how they set up that homestead and how it operates and runs on a daily basis. They have some incredible fruit and vegetable videos, as well as great instructional videos on how they set up all of the systems on their off-grid homestead, whether it be, you know, ranging from like how to get the water that they need on a daily basis, how to make sure that they're running their home efficiently, what sort of stove they cook their stuff on. They even have some really cool recipe videos where they show you some of the meals that they cook up that have used nothing but the food that they grew on their own property. Doug and Stacey's videos are more towards the vlog side and are a longer format, but with that being said, they offer some incredible value, and I just find myself enjoying each and every second of these videos, especially because one day I myself want to have a homestead. Our ultimate goal, if we would ever get there, would be off-grid homestead, but I'm not so sure on that one yet, maybe years down the road, but definitely I am pushing towards learning everything I can about how to run a homestead. And this channel with Doug and Stacey is just bar none the greatest one that I've come by as far as all the plethora of information that they provide to their viewers. They have an incredible community, and if you check out the discussion in the comment section, it's just, there's so much to learn from them. It's really a great channel that I highly, highly suggest. They're so friendly and so nice. It seems like if I were to have some off-grid homestead friends, it would definitely be Doug and Stacey. So again, that's Off-Grid with Doug and Stacey. Check them out for all of your homesteading videos. They've got everything you guys need to learn what they do, why they do it, and how to do it on your own. So those are my top 5 channels that I find myself going to more than any other channels on YouTube, even compared to entertainment channels. I myself am obsessed with planting and vegetables and fruits and everything having to do with gardening, which is why I spend all of my time learning about gardening. If you guys want to take gardening to the next level in your life, it's so important to learn and grow. And YouTube is an awesome resource for this. And I hope that these channels provide you with some great content. And I'm sure you guys are going to learn a lot more than you thought you would have. So go and check out all these channels. Thank you guys all so much for tuning in. Click this box right up here to move on to the next video. And happy gardening as always.